We are Sana Service, and we pride ourselves on our excellent reputation for delivering outstanding results and maintaining lasting relationships with our clients. At our very core, we are an AC cleaning and disinfection company, and our tradition defines our more than 14 years of delivering a service comparable to none. Our technicians' expertise and skills and their unwavering dedication to excellence ensures that your AC system receives a comprehensive cleaning and operates at peak efficiency. With a wealth of experience under their belts, they are adept at tackling any AC deep cleaning challenges, regardless of size or complexity of the system. This, coupled with our attention to detail, customized and personalized service, our responsiveness, timeliness, and efficiency, care and respect for our clients' property, and top-notch client care and follow-up, made us achieve an unblemished reputation for over a decade, earning trust and confidence not only in our AC cleaning services, but across the many premium services we provide. Call us today at 800-7264, or visit our website www.sanaservice.com and find out how we can help you. Sana Service, the Swiss concept of disinfection.